Hello everyone, Karen Miller here. Today I wanted to do some ice cream. It is so hot and I've been meaning to do some soursop ice cream for a very long time. I used to have soursop ice cream as a child when I was growing up in Grenada. Okay, this is a soursop that I bought in the supermarket because the soursop that I saw in the store, it didn't look good at all. It looked nothing like what I grew up with and seeing. It's very small and it didn't look good at all. So I bought this in the store. This is the pulp. So this is just as good, right? And this is more readily available in the supermarket. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little twist. I'm going to add some peaches to it because it goes so well with the peaches. I have some almond milk here that I process in the food processor with some water. The recipe will be on my website. And some agave syrup. That's all you need. And then I'm going to put it in my ice cream maker. If you don't have an ice cream maker, don't worry about it. As long as you have a freezer, you can put it in a plastic container and put it in the freezer and you're gonna have great ice cream. So let's do this. So guys, I'm just gonna dump everything in there. This is the soursop. And it's frozen. Gonna add the juices. Gonna add my peaches. 1 cup of almond milk. And a cup of agave syrup. So I'm going to add the agave syrup, and when I come back, we're gonna stir this up. I'm adding the agave, and now I'm gonna cover this and process it. And if you're doing this in an ice cream maker, it's going to freeze much faster because this is frozen. So guys, this is it, and let me taste it. It's really good. Tasting the soursop. The peach doesn't overpower it. It just enhances it. Peach and soursop go perfectly together. So when I come back, we're gonna go to the ice cream maker, and I'm gonna show you how you do it if you don't have an ice cream maker. You put it in a container and put it in your freezer for about 3 to 4 hours to harden. So I'm turning this on. I'm gonna pour into the ice cream maker, and I still have this ice cream maker. It's still going strong. I think this is good. So this is gonna go for about 25 minutes and it's going to get hard, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. Now, if you do not have an ice cream maker, no worries. You get a good plastic container, BPA free, etc., and you pour it in here. You cover it with plastic, or you cover it, this is a really good container that I have here. You stick it in the freezer for 3-4 hours and then you have your ice cream. So guys, as you can see, this started to get hard. You see? And it's been going now for about 10 minutes. So this is going to go for another 10-15 minutes and then it's going to be hard. And I'm also going to put this in the freezer. It's just that this is going to take a shorter time to get hard because it's getting hard here before I put it into the freezer. So if you want quick ice cream, you have to get an ice cream maker. Alright, so I'm going to come back in 10 minutes and get this in another container. Okay guys, so you see the ice cream is done now. It's really soft. You see? So I'm going to turn this off and put this in my container and put it in the freezer. You see? Looking good. Guys, I'm removing from the freezer bowl and putting it into the container. You see, it is so smooth. So this you can eat, like if you're eating it right away. You see, you can put this in an ice cream cone and you eat it, you give it to your kids. Guys, you could make your own ice cream like very quickly. You don't have to buy that stuff in the store. And now there's some kind of crazy thing going on with people going to the supermarket and opening up the containers and licking the ice cream. So you cannot trust these things out there. So make your own ice cream, guys. It's very, very easy. It's super easy even if you don't have an ice cream maker. Alright, so see you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, guys. Take care.